What's going on, community of TikTok, YouTube slash whatever followers? I'm going to show you something today here. We're going to do this chord progression, right? It's in E flat, and you've heard it before, right? What the? Did I change here? Something's all right. All right, hold on. What did I change? Did I change something? I don't know. Whatever. It sounds, I don't know. Oh, you know what? I must have reset. That's right. Okay, yeah, with the software. That's what happens. I'm sorry. So, I was wondering why it sounded so muddy. The software did a reset. You can't see it on the screen there, but if it does that, it'll kind of mess up my settings here. It sounded like I was playing in mud. Yeah, so anyway, this is it. You have this. It's a chord progression where a 2-5-1 chord progression, yeah. So typically it would be, I play it a little slower. You'll hear it in songs, all right. And at the end of worship songs or whatever, right? So, and you can use it accordingly. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna break this down for you. Left hand, right? And then right hand. Your right hand normally plays the chords. Your left hand plays the supporting role, like the tritones, right? And these things here are called tritones, right? For the most part, for an organist. Now, the chords work like this. You would go down and half steps. So you have your G flat, F, C. And then you can just go down. You keep it simple, the first three, right? So it would be, all right, you can just do F sharp, G flat, C, E flat, right? This is where I have my drawbars. I didn't want to pull them all the way out because by the time you get here, it sounds like mud like it did before, but it was a software thing, right? So we just start here with these three and just go down half steps, all right? And I'll show you what I'm doing on my foot in a second, but we'll finish the chord progression, right? So this is your right hand, and then now we can start to add the 4-finger chords, all right? A, C, E flat, F sharp, G flat, and go down to A flat, C, D, F, and then G, B flat, D flat, E flat. So that's the basic chords on the right hand. The left hand is going to be, you can literally do that, right? Just start from this G sharp, G flat, C. You can go down half steps. Right here is where you can switch. So as you go down half steps, right? F, B, dust, E, B flat. You can jump up here in your left hand. I would play it over the F, and then B flat and E flat, right? It might be easier to defend. Me, it is, instead of just going, because you literally can just go, as you do the walk down, right? You can go, you can come back down here, right? It works, but I like to play closer together when I'm playing organ, right? So, now we have that left hand, right? You start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Or we can go 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Continue to go in that direction. You just move and you start here and you just go to half steps. And I'll show you exactly how to anchor that in with the left foot. All right, so your left foot. Well, yes, your left foot. Actually, your left foot is playing that A, toe, heel to G, toe to A flat, right? Because it's an E flat. So we start here, toe to G sharp, A flat, heel to G, toe to F sharp, G flat, heel to F, and then you have your toe to B flat, and then toe to E flat. All right, so you put it together, your left hand alone. The two ways. The first way is this. I'll show you. All right, you're just gonna walk all the way down. This is gonna be over G flat, now over F, still going down, over B flat, over D flat, or E flat, right? That's the first way to do it. The way I like to do it, same difference, right? Same. So you start here. I'm sorry. Keep going down. All right. And now we can continue to go down with the foot, go down to the F, but we bring up the left hand. A, E flat, and then A flat, D. All right. It gives you that classic organ sound. Whenever you're playing those tritones in the left hand. If anything, if you just practice just that in the left hand, you have a lot of things, to do in your left hand that you can actually contribute to that gospel churchy kind of sound. All right. So again, you can play the chords like this as you play them, starting at A flat, or you can just do half steps with just triads. All right. So A flat, G, G flat, or you can kind of, you know, just build it up a little bit. You can do this. You can do this if you want to. Or keep the left hand with tritones, right? But you just add, all you're adding now is a B flat. So it's B flat, and you know, the other guys get to have 4 chords. So the first 3 want to have 4 notes too. So instead of just playing just the 3 notes, you add, instead of just F sharp or G flat, C, E flat, you add the B flat. So it would be, so you'd have this. You add the B flat to the first chord, and then add the G to the second chord, the A to the second chord, and then the third chord, you add that, the A flat, instead of just this, E, B flat, D flat becomes E, G flat, B flat, D flat, over the G flat, all right? So I'm going to show you in the next video a couple of other things that you can actually do to fill out the chords even more, to kind of give you that house, you know, house raising kind of feel. Well, I'll see you in the next one.